Hello guys, how to fix if QR code not working on your iPhone? If you are facing such issue QR code not working on your iPhone, then here are the possible fixes. Tap on settings and settings home page, scroll down and look for camera app. Scroll down and you will find camera app. Tap on it. Here scroll down, scan QR codes. Make sure that this feature is duly enabled on your iPhone. If not, enable scan QR codes option. Thereafter go back and tap on Control Center, and here under include controls, scan QR codes. Here now it's code scanner. If you not find code scanner under include controls, then include it. Go to scroll down and more controls. Here tap on plus sign against code scanner, and code scanner will included under included controls. And try to check QR code on your iPhone working or not. If not, the next one more fixes is tap on settings again, and you can also check by sliding your swipe your iPhone and go to settings and tap on general and scroll down and go to transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset again and reset all settings. Tap on it, unlock your iPhone and choose reset all settings.